Hello everyone. In last video we discussed the chapter force and pressure, and in previous video we discussed about atmospheric pressure and an activity in which we show atmospheric pressure crushes the can. Today we will continue about this activity. Children, in this we see the can get crushed. Now the question is this: why does the can or bottle get crushed? Children, the answer is because first the steam from the boiling water drives the air out of it. Then when we close the lid and pull the can, the steam condenses, leaving empty space, and the air pressure, which we normally do not feel, acts on all sides of the can and makes it cave in. Now the second question: why does an empty can not cave in normally? The answer of this question is an empty cannot cave in normally because it is full of air, and the pressure of air on the outer surface of the can is balanced by the pressure of air on its inner surface. And why do we not feel the weight of several hundred kilograms of air pushing down on? The weight of this air is approximately equal to that of an elephant. Children, this is because the pressure inside our body is equal to the pressure exerted by air on the outer surface of the body. Now, let us consider some examples in which we think. First, a balloon bursts when too much air is pumped into it. As we pump air into a balloon, the pressure inside acting on the wall of the balloon increases. This makes the balloon increase in size or volume. Then there comes a point when the material of the balloon cannot stretch anymore. If we increase the pressure further by pumping in more air, the balloon bursts. Children, now try pushing an empty glass into a bucket of water. Then we will feel a resistance. It is the pressure exerted by the air trapped inside the glass or mug. Children, now there is an activity in which we explain this. We explain the pressure exerted by the air trapped inside the glass with the help of this. In this, we fill a glass with water and cover it with coaster and invert the glass. Children, we will see the coaster will remain stuck to the glass and the water will not spill. In this, you will see when we invert the glass, water does not spill due to atmospheric pressure is bottom and on upper side water pressure is exist. And in another activity, in this the balloon is pushed into the can due to atmospheric pressure. The next activity in pierce a hole near the bottom of empty can and cover the hole with adhesive tape. Now we fill the can with water and stretch a balloon over the mouth of the can. Then hold the can over a sink and take off the tape covering the hole. As the water runs out of the hole, the balloon gets pushed into the can. Okay children, now we will discuss the bookwork of this chapter. First of all, blanks. Rolling friction is lesser than sliding friction. A body has weight because of gravitational force. Third, the force which oppose the motion of one body over another is friction force. The smoother the surface, the lesser is the frictional force. Kinetic friction is lesser than static friction. The smaller the area over which a force is applied, the larger is the pressure. And the last blank is the pressure at a particular depth in a liquid is same in every direction. Now multiple choice. First, gravitational force act. The answer is between all bodies in the universe. Next, the relation between the SI unit of force and the weight of a 1 kg mass is option C, 1 kg force is equal to 9.8 Newton. Third, if a force of 100 Newton acts on an area of 10 meter square, the pressure equals to 10 Newton per meter square. A car skids on a wet road because water reduces the friction between the road and the tires. And the fifth is, which of the following is not true? The answer is, friction helps a ship move through water. And there is a table in gravitational force B N R T, in frictional force A M O S N, and in magnetic force B P N, and in electrostatic force B N Q. Children, do all the question in your notebook and fill the bookwork only in your books. Goodbye everyone. Read all the topic and do this activity at your home with your parents. Goodbye everyone.